Today I will be discussing maintenance under 125 CRPC along with BNSS and the major changes that BNSS has brought in order to facilitate the parents. That I'll be taking up right in the end. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade that I have been helping and supporting students to crack judicial services examination and the most important, to grow personally in the process of becoming a judge. So maintenance under 125 CRPC can be claimed by wife, by children, minor children, major children and the parents. तो ये 4 कैटेगरीज हैं जो 125 में मेंटेनेंस मांग सकती हैं. बट जो वाइफ है, शी शुड बी अ लॉफुली मैरिड वाइफ एंड शी शुड नॉट बी रीमैरिड. एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है हु कैन नॉट क्लेम मेंटेनेंस अंडर 125 CRPC बीइंग अ वाइफ. So wife who is living in adultery, and also a wife who is separated by mutual consent, or a wife who has moved out of the matrimonial home without any reason. ये 3 लोग जो हैं 125 CRPC के अंदर मेंटेनेंस नहीं मांग सकते हैं. बच्चों के लिए माइनर चिल्ड्रन कैन सीक मेंटेनेंस. मेजर चिल्ड्रन कैन नॉट claim maintenance from their parents except if they are physically or mentally abnormal. Parents can be adoptive parents or the natural parents. Both can claim maintenance from son and daughter both, except the step parents. But we have a judicial pronouncement where the court has stated and held that stepmother, in case she is a widow and she is childless, in that case even a stepmother can claim maintenance. Coming on to the changes brought by BNSS. BNSS ने एक additional बहुत ही अच्छा एक स्टेप लिया है टू फैसिलिटेट द पेरेंट्स. Parents under CRPC could only sue and claim maintenance where the children resides. But now, as per BNSS, parents can also sue at a place where they themselves are residing. जहाँ पे parents रह रहे हैं वो वहाँ से भी suit file कर सकते हैं and claim maintenance from their children. So for more informative videos like these, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also be part of my WhatsApp community by the link that I will be sharing on my Instagram group. आप वहाँ पे जाके उसको Instagram पेज पे आप जाइए और वहाँ पे मेरा जो है लिंक होगा. प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन द लिंक एंड you'll be part of my community. So all the best, keep learning, God bless, take care.